Where you been?
Oh, you know, things to do, places to go, people to see.
Pops is back, and we're gonna get to ripping in the old first sim. Yeah, Pops hasn't rode in it. I've tried my best to not beat on it because I want me and my dad to experience it at the same time. So we're gonna get this puppy fired up and back out of here, and we're gonna go for some rips.
Sick.
Don't forget, check out Reason Apparel. It should be linked in it should be at the bottom of videos now. So. The timing will do that to you.
That's definitely a cold start.
We'll let this puppy get warmed up, and then me and Pops are gonna go out and go rip. Casualty. Yeah, so like in the past with the old converter, sometimes when you would lock it up, you have to like disengage a little bit or slow down. This one will just, as soon as you flip the switch. Like, it makes me wonder if before when they would lock it, if it was slipping. Like when this one's locked in, like, whereas the other one you could lock in, it would just take like it would just take you to like run with it, you know? You can definitely see how it like takes a little bit more to like get it to go from like a stop. Yeah.
Now these roads are horrible.
They're not any better in the whole first gen.
These roads in Mexico are terrible.
Like even the other day when I was driving, I think it'll just be a learning curve figuring it out. Yeah,
What situation you can find the sweet spot, you know.
Because like driving the other day, I tried to like build boost and then lock it, and even once it like locked it, like boom. And I was at like 15-ish. Man, look at that pop.
Yeah, it's the roads are terrible.
Charger sings though.
Yeah, it does. Sounds good. Got nice whine to it.
I'll just be doing that all the time.
Safety first, guys.
It's nice having neutral,
Just boom.
not like.
Yeah, trying to futz with it to get it in there.
That's like the first time I've ever gotten close to someone on it. Like it feels different.
I can tell it's more rowdy. Like you can just.
I just haven't like beat on it yet.
Yeah,
Or
we haven't
or
had
I'm like, I'm gonna beat on it, and then a bolt on my steering is just gonna yeet itself.
No, those bolts. You'll ban those grade 8s first before they break. You can tell it sounds a little more rowdy. Got a lope to it. Didn't have before. Oh, that is good. That would be that's better than the roller coaster right there. That was fun. Can you see out of this mirror? No.
They just keep
this cover off and how's that? You take that cover off and tighten up the bolt right here, and then they'll be a little more, they'll be stiffer.
That's what she said.
You do a power brake test.
June before you'll be able to go golfing in Mexico. Brakes can hold. It didn't, but I think let it off. Man, it's like right there.
Over to the top of our knoll here.
It seems like it wants to go, right? Like it's like, but then it just stalls right there. There we go. That's freaking. It still had more to go.
I know.
Yeah.
That was 4th.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Like, there's still plenty to go there. Still plenty left. Plenty left there.
This sounds different.
I mean, it runs smooth. It gets smooth. I'd say it runs better now, more than better now than before. Definitely got more there. There's definitely more left. So we're just gonna have to get on the dyno to really like let her eat and see what happens.
The street is just straight black. Still.
How dare you!
better hurry. Better hurry, go park, because it seemed like before it'd top out, right? Like it's like hit that whatever, you could hit a certain RPM and just top out. Now this is like got more, there's more still to go. We just don't have a long enough stretch to hit it. It's definitely running better. Reported some old pickup truck blowing lots of smoke up and down the street.
Well, that Tesla, right? That Tesla over there now is just.
Definitely be interested to see what happens on the dyno for sure.
Well, Pops, what do you think?
I think she sounds mean. She feels mean. Obviously, the dyno will be the event that we need to see what's going on. It definitely's got more at the top end.
I don't know how a converter does that, but
Well, you have less bottom end, so it has to transfer that to the top end. But it's definitely got more, because we would run out before, like it'd top out. So
I know what you're saying, yeah.
You know, obviously the dyno will be the key event we need to see how much improvement it made, right? Did it do what we wanted to do, or we gotta go back to the drawing board, you know?
Well, it's a 12 valve, so it'll probably never do what we want it to do.
Well, it can do what we want it to do. It just takes time and money. That's the.
And we got neither.
What are you doing, rat dog? What are you doing, rat dog? What are you doing, rat boy? You know, he wants to see the 12 valve. What do you think, bud? What do you think, Bubs? Huh? You hear that rooster?
Well, Pops approves.
Yeah, I like it.
May 6th will be the dyno event. Randy's Transmissions dyno event will be there. And we'll see what the old first gen can do.
Take care of your
Take care of your 12 valve. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.